Want to upload files to iCloud from your Windows PC? It may seem tricky, but it's totally possible. In this video, we'll show you simple steps and useful tools to make the process easy. Part 1. Why upload files to iCloud from PC? Access anywhere, open files on any Apple ID device. Backup, keep data safe for easy recovery. Share, collaborate in real time. Sync updates across all devices automatically. Part 2. Transfer files to iCloud from PC via iCloud.com. Visit iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Complete two-factor authentication if needed. Click iCloud Drive and drag files in, or click Upload to select files. For photos or documents, go to iCloud Photos, Pages, or other services. Part 3. Copy files to iCloud from PC using iCloud Desktop app. Install iCloud for Windows from the Microsoft Store. Open it, sign in, and enable iCloud Drive. In File Explorer, find iCloud Drive and drag or copy files into it. Bonus: transfer files from iCloud to PC in one click. If your iCloud storage is low or you need to back up your data, you can transfer iCloud files to your PC. Mobican Doctor for iOS allows you to view all iCloud backup contents and transfer backup contents to your computer completely or selectively. Step 1. Install Doctor for iOS. After downloading and installing Mobican Doctor for iOS, launch the program on your computer. Choose Recover from iCloud from the left sidebar and sign into your Apple account. Step 2. Download iCloud synchronized data. Once logged in, you can select the file types you want to restore and click Next to let the program analyze the backup content. The analysis of an iCloud backups whole contents may take a while, depending on the size of your backup file. Step 3. View and download your iCloud backup. After that, you can view all analyzed data. You can preview and select the data you want to save. Then click Recover to Computer to transfer the restored data to your computer.